Yo, what's up guys? It's Angelo here. For today's video, I'm here at Mayon Skyline, which is the best time is it's my second time visiting here because last time I visit here it's a rainy day, but this time it's a sunny day. Sunset day. It's really beautiful. You can see the full view here. Wait. Yep. As you can see here, the view is really beautiful. Yeah, you can see Tabaco City over there. That is the Mayon Planetarium, where you can see, I don't know. Yeah, so let's go, I guess. But yeah, I'm at the right time. There we go, I love Tabaco City, Mayon Planetarium. These are my cousins. Yeah, over there. Oh yeah, by the way, you can see the church. It is on the Holy Rosario Mountain. So yeah. Ah, this is my mom. Hi ma.
Angelo,
Yeah.
doon ka sa group.
So yeah, I'm continuing vlogging. Hello.
Sige na.
Excuse me.
Sige, mag-vlog ka.
So yeah, continuing vlogging. Yeah, I'm gonna go there later. Yeah, it's a Holy Rosary Mountain. You could see the church. You could see my Mary, the Archangel Michael. It's over there. Yeah, it's on top. Yeah. I love I love it here because it's been a long time since last year that I didn't visit here because it was totally rainy at that day. So yeah, I'm gonna go climb. Hi po. Aakit ako. Mm. The last time I vlogged, oh no. Kaya yan. Okay, the last time I posted the videos since February. Yeah, on Valentine's Day. Excuse me po. You can see the station of the cross. Mama Mary and Papa Jesus. The first joyful mystery is the Annunciation. That is beautiful. May tindahan dyan. Si Mama Mary yan ba? Si Mama Mary yan. Si Archangel Michael at maganda po talaga ang lugar dito. Makikita mo yung magandang view. Siyempre, kung nandito ka ngayon, makita mo yung bundok doon. Ipakita ko sa iyo sa baba, may basketball court doon sa baba. Ipakita ko sa iyo. So yeah, I'll be there. But first, I will pause the video. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, by the way, that is my cousin, Amiel. He's just looking all around, just seeking for peace. And yeah, I will see you. Yeah, by the way, never mind. So I'm gonna look for a basketball court. So yeah, I'll go down there. Hi, Miel! And here I am. Ito ang basketball court. Makikita mo maganda ang lupa nito dahil dito semento po talaga. Yeah, it's very cool. And then I'm gonna go walk around and you could see a playground. Wow. Yeah, there's a lot of cars going here nearby. Makikita mo ang main skyline logo. Ano? Picture ko. Yeah, this was a beautiful view. There's a seesaw, there's a slide, there's a swing. Yeah, all there is. Lahat ng tao bumibisita dito every year ata. So yeah, maganda talaga dito. Makikita mo lahat ng lugar sa baba. Yan, may makita kang mga syudad, may mga dagat, ilog, iba pa. At yun. And that is it guys for today's video. I hope you really like it for today's video. Thank you for watching. See you soon.